Next up, camping at Cheaha State Park in Delta, Alabama. A chainsaw is the one thing I don't have.
Good. Alright, you better hurry up. Yeah! It's okay.
He's like, put me back in the camper. He don't like the camera, does he?
What behind the camera does? He's like, cheese. Say cheese, does he? Yeah.
I like a lot of butter. Butter makes it better. Well, guys, we hit a little snag, I guess you could say. The hills coming up to Cheaha are really steep. It feels like you're in the mountains. So we rounded a hill and this is what we find. And I barely got stopped in time. Like, it just out of nowhere. So I don't know, phone service isn't great. We're gonna try to get a hold of somebody, because a chainsaw is the one thing I don't have in the truck or the camper.
What?
Video of my master maneuvers?
Yes.
Alright, so I'm just going back it straight up.
Okay.
About 2 feet where I can get the front landing gear like farther back. We'll be good.
Okay.
Good goal, baby. Blue doesn't know what to think of the great outdoors.
It's okay.
He's like, put me back in the camper.
Oh, it wasn't very good to you in the beginning, was it? What'd you forget, Dad?
I bought a bag of ice and left it in the back seat. Show them what Mom made. You got a mouthful. You and your peace tea again.
But, okay, this is a new one.
I know, that's what I'm
This
saying.
isn't old.
I think every time we go camping you get peace tea. But
Obviously.
we've got Mom's homemade chili. And the weather's perfect for it. It's cooling off. Gonna get that fire pit going here in a little while. Finish our first full day. We showed up yesterday, late yesterday. We had to go shopping.
Obviously.
And we didn't get much done yesterday. Haven't done much today except relax. Been out here in the hammocks. Now we're
You've been
eating
asleep in the hammock.
Well, that's what a hammock's made for.
Mm.
Yes, I slept in the hammock. And I slept on the couch too. Telling them about your homemade chili. It's some good stuff. You want to do it?
Yeah, how
You
do you
gonna
do
like
it?
Hold on.
I'm gonna burn the thing down.
Yeah, we don't want that. Alright. You see the rail in here?
Uh-huh.
The little holes?
Uh-huh.
Alright, get your fire over there. Ready? There it is. You did it! Yay!
Ow.
Get some flame. Oh yeah.
Now look at my flame.
It's Mom's favorite part.
Look at my flame.
Yeah, don't burn it all out.
What's on your face?
I don't know what's on my face. I know what you said was on my face. I grabbed one of the lava rocks. I didn't know I touched my face. Is it all over my face?
Yeah. It's like right there.
I think that is a suitcase scooter. I have seen those online, but I have not seen anybody actually riding one. I want one. That would be perfect for camping if you're on asphalt. I don't know how well it does on gravel, but that's something to think about. Well, we thought we were going to Bald Rock for a little hike, but looks like there's maybe fire and rescue trucks or something blocking that off. There's a chopper in the air, so I'm not sure what's going on. So we're going to go to the observation tower and check that out. Lights are flashing. Pretty good view from up here.
Wait, can I get on that rock?
Yeah, just be careful.
Oh, please be careful. Oh, yeah.
I wouldn't jump.
Yeah, please don't. I would land on a big rock, so.
Yeah, that wouldn't be good.
I could.
I don't know if following Anna Claire is the best idea.
I saw them come this way. Where?
Alright. We're following you, so if we don't get there, it's your fault. You good back there?
I think it is the right move. I don't know. Just grunting a little bit.
We're grunting a little more than we were 2 years ago when we were here.
Yeah.
Just a little. Oh.
She made it.
She did. You did good. You did good, Anna Claire. Well, happy Monday morning to you. We're about to get the day started. Just had breakfast. I think we're going to take a hike this morning. Yesterday, great day. Got to do the observation tower. We did go out to Bald Rock, which I wouldn't really call a hike because it's a boardwalk. Beautiful views out there. Had a good time. Come back, got the fire pit going, and I just sat around. And we actually met two families yesterday. We met the Elders family who live here in Alabama but used to live in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. They saw the Mississippi State light buckets, our redneck lights. So that sparked conversation because they're Mississippi State fans, Hail State. And we met the Walters family who live one county over from us, and they walked up and we got to talking with them. They recognized the truck and the camper from our Service Park Campground video. They watched that video before going camping over there, so we met them, got to talk with them, enjoyed talking with both families. Okay, that's enough yapping for this morning. I'm gonna finish this coffee, NASCAR cup, since we are close to Talladega and they had a race this weekend, so fitting to drink coffee from a NASCAR cup. We're going on a hike here in a little bit, so come go with us.
You better hurry up. Yeah! Oh God.
So we realized this morning on our trail here to Pulpit Rock that when we were here last time, we stopped back there. We never made it to Pulpit Rock on the first video, so we're seeing this for the first time because we're actually going to make it to the actual rock. So we definitely did ourselves a disservice 2 years ago when we were here because we actually did not find Pulpit Rock, and we did today. And guys, it is beautiful. I like this view better than Bald Rock, don't you think? It's incredible. Now I see why everybody talks about Pulpit Rock. That's it right there where everybody gets their pictures. But yeah, we're not gonna do that. I'm not as sure-footed as I used to be. Now, 20 years ago, I would have jumped out there, but not now. But this is it. This is Pulpit Rock. Beautiful view. So if you come to Cheaha, you gotta make sure you make it all the way here, unlike us the first time. But just a really pretty place. It's a little bit of a climb going back up. but well worth it.
Like sausage.
Your legs feel like sausage.
Yeah, one of them goes like this, the other one goes like that. Ow!
She said her legs feel like sausage and she took her kneecap out with a water bottle. Hiking is never a dull moment with the Smith family. Sadly, our time here at Cheaha has come to an end and it's time to go home. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you would, slide on over and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, even hit that notification bell, and you won't miss any upcoming camping trips that we take down the road. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next campground. God bless.